Welcome to Entitled Retreat. Trivial Travel, Tales and Truths. My name is Ode. I consider myself a striving author, and I am fascinated by doubt. That got me thinking, what's real and what's not? Here, I am looking at a so-called tit. And no, that maybe sounds comedic, but I mean the flying kind. The one that tumbles and stumbles through the air and somehow manages to fly from A to B. But yeah, what's real and what's not? Going along here, we alleged humans use our sensory systems to actually understand the world and hopefully affirm or find affirmation that what's reality and what's not. So, in my personal hands-on experience, I have seen and I have heard these beautiful creatures, but I never touched, smelled, or tasted one. Strange that it may sound. But yeah, maybe you understand what I mean here, hopefully, because the idea is actually to challenge, maybe even provoke a thought or thoughts over that what's real and what's not. If I base my perception solely on my sensory experience and divide, let's say, the value of those sensory systems, features of our human body into equal chunks, then I have utilized only 2 of 5. 5-ish. I'm not sure if there's many more, but I have to figure it out. Take a look into that. Body in space and stuff like that. But yeah, if we only talk about touch, smell, taste, vision and hearing, I have used 2. Hence the tit is, I guess below 50% affirmed that this bird is a real thing. So yeah, strange, really strange. But yeah, hence a matrix versus multiverse kind of meter that I'm gonna implement here in this video series. That's about, 35-40% for the tit, so that's leaning towards the matrix. Yeah, bizarre outcome. So the tit is not real, but what's your personal point of view? I emphasize your hands-on experience. Have you used more than 2 of the sensory systems in your human body to actually affirm that a tit bird is real? Let me know in the comments. And see you in the next one. More to come. We're gonna actually really try to figure out if this is the Matrix or something else. So yeah.